This is the sunset, boy. Over the all the way in the back is the South China Sea, man. Look at that. Right there.
May jellyfish. I saw jellyfish.
You saw one?
Yeah, I said, oh no, I'm not gonna
Where
see
is
it.
it?
Over there. Under.
Where?
Under the water.
Oh, you saw it underneath the water?
Yeah, because I used the goggle.
Oh.
Nakita ko! Oo. Ginana ni Luca niya? Kumain si Luca niya.
What happened to me?
No, the one, like the grass. Seagrass. You ate that one with the tomato and...
Oh, that's the same thing? Holy shit.
Look at the moon! Look at the moon! Look!
I feel like something was touching my leg.
Look at the moon!
Where? Oh, the moon. He's saying the moon. Oh yeah, right there. He's seeing the moon. Right there, the moon. Right there. Yeah, that's what he's shouting, the moon. This is the coastline.
Ayaw niya gamitin. Meron pa ako. Ayaw gamitin ni Lizoret, pag ano. Kuya, may jellyfish dyan! Kuya! May jellyfish dyan! Sa ano mo? Dito ka! May jellyfish dyan. Dito ka sa dito.
Anong mag-ihaw tayo mamaya?
Yaw na.
Kahit ano. Isda, pusit, lempo, ano.
Walang ano eh. Walang pusit. Bangos lang nandoon eh.
Bangos lang, pangat naman, bangos na naman.
Saka hipon.
Ano, bonito.
Bonito pero.
Mga bilan.
Yeah, there you go.
Tapos kahit konti lempo, hati-hati naman sa maliliit.
Sunset.
May lempo ba doon?
Can I hold it? No.
Kailan tayo magdawal, ma? Bukas? Kailan ba siya bababa?
But these are coming from,
Bumaba doon.
yeah, these weeds, seaweeds, different type of seaweeds here. We got different ones coming up. Okay, this right here.
Bukas tayo punta
We got
doon.
those weeds right here.
Tama?
Yeah.
Bukas.
We got this type here.
Ano, dawal. Doon pinag-pinag.
I'm close to it, so right there. Not that far in.
Trey, bukas daw magdawal tayo lahat.
I don't know if I can.
Ano dawal? Wala ko.
I don't have the protective cover for this
Ha?
thing, so I'm not gonna put it underneath the
Ano,
water.
doon na lang siya bababa sa kanto.
There's another seaweed. I don't know if you guys can see that one there underneath the water. There. I don't know if you guys can see the mountains a little more defined right now. You can see them a little more defined. Just like that. Family right there. Amuan Iba Sambales.
Ate, dalawang bike yun, ito pa na nabot.
Ito pa ganito yun. Bata pa. Oo, kasi nalutang na yan na yan. Oo. Ano din, hindi nalutang. Baliw, okay lang yun.
Ang buduman niya, ang buduman rin ito, mahiba na bubulong niya.
Who's this
Tamo niya?
properties? Who's this
Ay,
property?
Tito.
Ivy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you.
The water is gonna carry that away.
Bukas, solid natin yung buwan sa lamesa.
Ivy, you gonna eat this?
No.
Oh, what is it for?
It's kind of seaweed.
Oh, but you guys don't eat that. You don't eat it?
You can eat it because it's already flowed.
So don't eat it. Okay. It's dead.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you don't eat this one because they're all dead. Okay.
Maganda yung naka.
Is that the one that's normally green you buy? With the green little bubbles?
Sapsapuyot.
Is that it?
Ay, sapsapuyot. Sapsapuyot.
Is that what that is?
Not.
Oh, it's a
No,
different,
it's another one.
a different variety. Okay.
Ano yung sinasabi nito?
Look, Nanay eating it. Look, Nanay just ate it. Yes, he did it. He just did it. He just twisted that. Right? He just twisted that.
Ano yun? Sinasabi mo sa
Interesting,
loob
yeah.
dagat. Yung nilalagyan ng panigang.